Day one for Army Recognition editorial team at AUSA, the Association of U.S. Army Annual Meeting and Exhibition in Washington, D.C., United States. This is one of the biggest defense exhibitions in the United States. It's also very important for many companies to present latest innovation and technology, especially for programs for U.S. Army.
So the Hawkeye system is a 105 system. It's based on an M20 barrel, which is currently in the U.S. Army's inventory. The M20 is used in the M11, M119, A1 and A2. The breech, the recoil mechanism, they're all fielded systems. The low recoil mechanism is the secret sauce, we call it, that gives the Hawkeye its capability to be mounted on a Humvee. So the one that you see here on display, it's the 1152 A1, but we can mount it on virtually any 1000 series or 1100 series Humvee that has that flatbed design. So one of the unique capabilities of the Humvee Hawkeye is the fact that it's the only self-propelled 105 howitzer that can fire 360 degrees from a stationary position.
This is a Bell 407 GXP that we get as a green aircraft from Bell. And then as you see, we do quite substantial modifications to it to turn it into a weaponized light attack aircraft. This one specifically was designed for a client in the Middle East that we're delivering aircraft to currently. Well, the main advantages, I think, are it's a commercial aircraft, so it's very easy to get parts for, very easy to maintain. It's built on a reliable, proven platform that's been around for many, many years now. It's very easy to fly. A lot of the pilots really notice how easy it is to fly compared to some of the other airframes that they've worked with before. It has a completely redesigned cockpit, all glass interior, weapons management system, a mission management system. We also have a 4-stage weapons platform, as you see, that's already certified for the rocket pod, the M260 rocket pod, the GAU-19, the Dillon M134D, and the Hellfire rocket system.
My name's Joaquin Salas. I'm with Polaris Defense, and we're unveiling the M-Razor diesel with heavy fuel and JP8 capability here at AUSA. Well, there are two defining characteristics to the M-Razor in general. You've got the fact that it's V-22 capable, so it's got to fit in a much smaller cargo compartment on the tilt-rotor V-22 aircraft. In addition, there's the JP8 capability, which is the new addition to the fleet this year, and that enables it to be transported both aboard aircraft and ships far more readily than the gasoline version. We've got 3 products here, and what that does is kind of cover the whole spectrum of ultralight tactical mobility. We've got the MV850 ATV, and that's a straddle vehicle with a single rider or single occupant. We've got the Dagger, which is a 4 or 5 man, up to 9 man vehicle with a 3,250 pound payload. It's our largest vehicle in the ultralight family. And then we've got the M-Razor diesel, which is a 4 man vehicle and the ability to essentially configure any way you like for the mission.
What we have here is our next generation ground control station. It's called Centurion. Centurion is actually a family of products, both control as well as remote. So this is compatible with various platforms. The system has already flown a optionally piloted vehicle all the way down to a Group 1 quadcopter. So it's scalable in terms of what it can control and what it can command. It is able to interact with systems that are compliant with STANAG 4586, as well as non-STANAG 4586 formats, such as Piccolo Command and Control, or some of the open source autopilots that are currently out there today. So what we've done is to develop a system that allows you to manage all those aircraft by exception. All the information is still out there and is still deep, but the information that's presented to the user is simplified. So a simplified user interface that's more intuitive now allows an operator to take on additional tasks, whether it be new payloads or additional payloads and tasking, or operating multiple vehicles at the same time.
Well, we're going to show you today our Griffin technology demonstrator. The U.S. Army has some requirements that are merging in their light infantry brigades, and so over the last 5 months we've taken from a concept to development of merging 3 different mature technologies together. So what we've done is taken the British Scout vehicle, now called Ajax, their chassis, taken Abrams turret, made it lighter, and then we took the investment the Army made in future combat systems and integrated the 120 millimeter lightweight cannon onto this particular chassis. Well, as you see it right now, it weighs 27 tons. It is 7.62 AP capable, and then there's modular package to take it up to even more ballistic capabilities, depending on what the Army needs and want. The turret is an Abrams-like turret. The Abrams turret weighs a significant amount of weight. This is about a third the weight of an Abrams turret, but the same feel. So an Abrams gunner and an Abrams loader will feel right at home inside of this turret.
I'm Kurt Pesch with General Dynamics Land Systems, and this is the Stryker Mobile Expeditionary High Energy Laser System. So there's a number of systems that are shown on this vehicle. There is a target acquisition system. There's an electronic warfare system used to scramble signals to UAVs, and essentially the laser is the key piece of equipment that we demonstrated on the vehicle last year, and we're integrating a growth to that system from a 2 kilowatt to a 5 kilowatt system. So inherently, the Stryker is capable of producing about 15 kilowatts worth of power, and for the missions that we're looking to go demonstrate off at Army installations, we're able to have a period of laze time, or for the other systems, the ability to operate those systems over a set amount of time, drop down to a recharge cycle, and then do it all over again.
We built the compact laser weapon system. It's the component you see there at the top with the beam controller. We have a beam director on top of the vehicle, and we control the laser from that location. And you can, it's primarily for counter UAS, counter unmanned aerial systems, and to destroy those before they get close to any kind of platforms.